Welcome to It's the battle show. Attack meets wreck and the baddest brawler wins. Come to today's first brawler right now. This dude's got a giant clamp on his shoulders. Don't you ever dare call him a pig, or else he'll clamp you down. He'll shoot you down. He's Tenderizer. I'm ready to battle this whole ordeal off. Such confidence from someone who's never battled yet. But anyway, here comes our next brawler. He wants you to have his switch turned off. He doesn't like the lights. He's just like Batman. He's Kill Switch. Ha! I want you to go night forever. You do? Well, guess what, man? That ain't happening anytime soon. So take this. Watch it, buddy. The battle is starting to a slime can boom, and your brother says his line. Well, there's a slime cannon. 1 out of 2 ain't bad. Looks like these two are ready2robot. Thank you. Now where was I? Oh yeah, winning. This could be a preview of the main event in a 4-week ready2robot championship. The Meltdown! This little man who lives in the dark in the Meltdown? I must be hearing things. You most certainly are not hearing things! Whoa! Kill switches with the Super Mega Launchers! Which launcher is he going to choose? Ooh, he's chosen the most superest, megaest of launchers! Let's see what this boy can do! Tenderizer is unhinged! He's unstable! He just dodged those bullets! Tenderizer wins! When I make it to the Meltdown, you beg me to go easy! Will it be you, Helmet Head? Or Rail Splitter? Or what about you, Coach? Hide your pets, lock up your kids. Tenderizer is on fire and prime for the Meltdown. I'm getting out of here. See you next time on Ready2robot. Vote for whoever you want to go up next in the next battle. Do you want the 5-time champion Hardware? Or the guy who always wears the helmet head? Or the guy who wants to give you several push-ups, Coach? Vote for who you want to be in the next battle next week. See you next time.